In this video, we are going to solve problems from S.N.Dey. S.N.Dey is a book which is solved by almost every student of West Bengal Higher Secondary Boards and the students who are preparing for West Bengal Joint Entrance Examination only. We will start solving sums from submultiple angles, and the sums I have selected is important from the said chapter in my opinion. If you want me to solve other problems which you think are difficult, write it in the comment box. We have planned to solve S.L.Dey, Aryan and other institutes questions like FITG, Ranker, Study Material, etc. Give your comment whether it will be helpful for you or not. See the video till last because after every solution you will be given a quiz and you have to answer it in the comment box. The link of the solutions to those quiz problems will be given in the next video. So stay tuned to us. First, 3 of all correct answers will be awarded a question bank with solution on trigonometry. This question bank is must for all the aspirants preparing for WBJEE and other pre-engineering entrance examination. So best of luck. Now in this problem, we will start the sum from theta plus phi by 2, taking tan of this angle we get. I am expanding it with the help of the formula tan A plus B, so we get, I am replacing tan theta by 2 by tan q phi by 2, which is given to us. Is it clear? In the denominator, it is 1 minus tan to the power 4 phi by 2. So I am expanding it with the help of the formula a square minus b square we get. Because 1 plus tan square phi by 2 will get cancelled from numerator and denominator. Now this is the formula of tan 2 theta. So it will be nothing but tan phi only. Is it clear? Again, they have said that tan phi is nothing but 2 tan alpha. So replacing the value of tan phi, we are getting tan alpha only. Is it clear? So we got that tan theta plus phi by 2 equals to tan alpha. Therefore, that implies theta plus phi equals to 2 alpha. Proved. Is it clear to all of you? Okay, let us move for the next problem. Now before starting this problem, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe it and hey, press the bell icon to get notified about my new upload videos. Don't forget to like and share our videos. Now in this problem, from the given condition, we are forming two equations like, and now I am solving these two equations by cross multiplication method we get. Okay, we are using the formula sin C minus sin D over here. So we get, here we are using cos C minus cos D formula. And here we are using the formula of sin alpha, that we can write it as 2 sin alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2. So in this case, it will be, is it clear to all of you? Now I am cancelling 2 sin beta minus alpha by 2 from all the sides. So we get, is it clear? So proved. Okay. Now let us move for the next problem. Now in this problem, we will start with cos 27 minus sine 27 whole square. This gives us, which is equals to 1 minus sine 54 degrees. So which can also be written as 1 minus cos 36 degrees, right? Now the value of cos 36 is root 5 plus 1 divided by 4. Now those who don't know how to find out the multiple of 18 degrees, please see the video, the link I have given in the description box below. There you will know how to find out the multiple of 18 degrees of all trigonometric ratios. Okay, so we are getting 3 minus root 5 by 4. So cos 27 degrees minus sine 27 degrees is equals to under root 3 minus root 5 divided by 2. Now you observe, I have not given a plus minus sign over here because cos 27 degrees is always greater than sine 27 degree. You can easily understand this with the help of this graph. This is your cos x graph and this is your sine x graph. This point is nothing but pi by 4, that is 45 degrees. So 27 degrees somewhere here. So in 27 degree, you will find that the value of cos x is more than the value of sine x. Yes or no? That is why I have not given here plus minus sign. I have taken the plus sign instead of that. Is it clear to all of you? Okay. Now, let us find what is the value of cos 27 degree plus sine 27 degrees whole square. That gives us, in the same way, which is nothing but 1 plus sine 54 degrees, right? Again, it will be 1 plus cos 36 degrees. So 1 plus root 5 plus 1 divided by 4. After simplification, we are getting. Is it clear? So cos 27 degree plus sine 27 degree will give you. Is it clear to all of you? Now cos 27 degrees positive, sine 27 degrees positive. So their summation is also positive. Therefore, I have rejected the minus sign. Now, this is my first equation and this is my second equation. We are subtracting 1 from 2. We are getting 2 sine 27 degrees equals to, that implies 4 sine 27 degree equals to. Is it clear to all of you? Hence proved. You will find many problems of this kind in the exercise. Okay, now let us move for the next problem. Now, in this problem, they have said that cos theta equals to, okay. Now, what I am doing here is, I am applying componendo and dividendo we get. So, we are having, if I open the brackets, we are getting 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta can be written as tan square theta by 2, which is equals to, that gives us, is it okay? Therefore, we can write tan theta by 2 equals to plus minus root 3 tan phi by 2. Is it clear? So the first part proof is over. Now we have to prove from here that sine phi, this part we have to prove. Is it clear? So for that, what we will do here is, now sine phi can be written in terms of tan as, so if I replace the value of tan phi by 2, we are going to get Let me simplify a little bit. We get, so that gives us, now we are dividing numerator and denominator by 1 plus tan square theta by 2 we get. So let me do it here. Sorry, root 3 will be here. So from here we are getting, if we separate it with 1 plus tan square theta by 2, we are going to get, so we are having ultimately 1 minus tan square theta by 2 by 1 plus tan square theta by 2 is cos 2 theta. So in this case it will be cos theta only. Is it clear? So that is your right hand side. So we have proved that sine phi is nothing but plus minus under root 3 sine theta divided by 2 plus cos theta. Is it clear? Now let us move for the next problem. Now in this problem, we have to find out the value of cot 7.5 degree. So just check it how I'm simplifying the expression given to us. Cot 7.5 degree can be written as, I am multiplying numerator and denominator with 2 cos 15 by 2 we get. So the numerator can be written as 1 plus cos 2 theta, so which is cos 15 degrees. And 2 sine 15 by 2 cos 15 by 2 can be written as sine 15 degrees only. Is it clear to all of you? Now we know that the value of sine 15 degree is root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. And cos 15 degree is root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Okay, these two values we have to remember. And tan 15 degree is basically 2 minus root 3. So these are the values which we use as a standard one, and we have to remember to reduce the time in solving problems. So I'm just replacing the value of cos 15 and sine 15 we are getting. I'm rationalizing the denominator. Now I'm opening the bracket in the numerator we get. So cancelling 2 with numerator and denominator, we are left with, which is exactly what is said in the right hand side. Is it clear to all of you? Let us move for the next problem. In this problem, we are starting with the given condition. We are converting sec in terms of cos. Now in the left hand side, we are taking the LCM. In the numerator, if I open the bracket by using the formula cos A plus B and cos A minus B, we are going to get. Is it clear to all of you? Because cos A plus B into cos A minus B can be written as cos square A minus sine square B. So from here we can write. So we are taking sine square alpha in one side and the other term in the right hand side we get. Is it clear to all of you? So cos square phi can be written as. Is it okay? Now sine square alpha can be written as 4 sine square alpha by 2 cos square alpha by 2. And 1 minus cos alpha can be written as 2 sine square alpha by 2. So we are getting 2 cos square alpha by 2 from here. Therefore, cos phi equals to plus minus under root 2 cos alpha by 2. Is it clear? Hence proved. Have you understood this? Okay, let us move for the next problem. Now in this problem, from the given conditions, we are squaring both sides and adding the corresponding sides we get. In the left hand side, we are opening the brackets. And in the right hand side, we are getting 1. So in the left hand side, we are having sine square alpha plus cos square alpha is 1. And cos square beta plus sine square beta is again 1. So we are having 2 plus 2. Cos alpha minus beta equals to 1 implies 1 plus cos theta can be written as 2 cos square theta by 2. That implies, therefore the value of cos square alpha minus beta by 2 is nothing but 1 by 4. Is it clear to all of you? Okay, let us move for the next problem. Now in this problem, from the given condition, we are reversing and writing it as, let us say this is equals to k. Therefore A1 is k cos x, A2 is k cos 2x, and A3 is k cos 3x. Therefore, in the proof part, we are taking the right hand side, we are replacing the values of A1, A2, A3 we get. K will get cancelled from numerator and denominator. Now applying cos C plus cos D formula we get. Taking 2 cos 2x common from the numerator. 1 minus cos x can be written as 2 sine square x by 2. So we are left with sine square x by 2, which is nothing but your left hand side. Proved. Have you understood this? Okay, now let us move for the next problem. In this case, if you see, you will find that we have been given cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma, and in the proof part, we want tan square alpha by 2, tan square beta by 2, tan square gamma by 2. Now, to get tan square alpha by 2 from cos alpha, we have to find out what is our 1 minus cos alpha by 1 plus cos alpha. Tell me yes or no. Because 1 minus cos alpha by 1 plus cos alpha will give you nothing but tan square alpha by 2. Is it clear? Now from the given condition, cos alpha is x by y plus z. So applying componendo and dividendo we get. Is it clear to all of you? So we got tan square alpha by 2 is it okay? Now similarly we can find out, and now adding the corresponding sides we get. In the right hand side, we are going to get, after simplification, which is equals to 1. Since x plus y plus z is not equals to 0 given. Is it clear? Hence proved. Have you understood it? Okay, let us move for the next problem. In this problem, they have said that we have to prove sine 2x plus sine 2y equals to 2ab into 1 minus 2 by a square plus b square. So before starting the sum, we will find out what is a square plus b square and 2ab individually. And then we will put those values in the right hand side to get our left hand side. Is it clear? Now, to find out a square plus b square, we are squaring and adding the corresponding sides of these two given conditions. So we are getting, so if we open the bracket, we are going to get Is it clear to all of you? Let me take 2 common. 1 plus cos theta can be written as 2 cos square theta by 2. So it is. Is it clear to all of you? Okay. Now let us find out what is 2ab. We are applying cos c plus cos d and sin c plus sin d formula. So we get we are having is it clear to all of you? Okay. Now let me take the right hand side and put all those values we get. 2 sin a cos a can be written as sin 2a. So it is sin x plus y. So we are having, after taking LCM, so this and this goes off. If I take 2 common from the numerator, we are going to get 2 cos square theta minus 1 can be written as cos 2 theta. So it can be written as, is it clear to all of you? Now I am applying the formula 2 sin a cos b, which gives us sin 2x plus sin 2y, which is nothing but your left hand side. Is it clear to all of you? Okay.